Jordi Alba whips it in across the edge of the box. Messi first time to Dembele. Overhit with Suarez arriving at the far post. It'll be a throw to Lionel. The body language
said to his players, because I get the feeling they've come here to enjoy it.
Ball through Sergio Roberto.
Messi offering support. Oh, lovely ball into Suarez. Blocked by.
Thread it through, does so, gets the luck of the break, clips it across the far side. Rakitic! A wonderful finish!
Sergio Roberto. Balón profundo de Messi, envío de fantasía. Y está Suárez al lateral de la red. Buena oportunidad para el Fútbol Club Barcelona. Optó por el disparo.
To their own supporters, as it is, they're trying to keep the scoreline down as Alba goes into the area again, nudged away.
Artur. Semedo on the overlap.
Messi, lovely ball into Alba. Messi anticipating the danger. Alba knew he had a huge option.
Half Senegalese and half Mauritanian.
There's the pullback, Messi in to be doubt. Messi will retrieve the situation, plays it through onside. Jordi Alba! Onside and 7 for Barca.
Who gets the ball after finds Messi, no question of the expectation from him. He combines with his favourite partner in crime, Jordi.
Also, when Lionel Messi gets it, immaculate first touch.
As equaliser, of course, Leo Messi. Oh, that is a lovely ball. Suarez.
The ball. And here he is on it. Lovely way to pass to bring in Jordi Alba.
Sergio Roberto. Messi. Sergio Roberto's through! So creative. Alba, back to Messi. And in the end, it's really well defended. It'll be a corner for Barca.
Messi takes over.
Messi. Oh, lovely ball from Messi to Semedo.
Backed back and just interfering in time.
Leo Messi, good ball in for Dembele, keeps it in play.
Puede aguantar el ritmo, no está acostumbrado a jugar así, a correr tanto detrás del balón.
Ya viene el árbitro griego Sidiropoulos para...
That's fired a lid. Messi picks out Coutinho, lovely. Messi, oh lovely footwork. Still Messi, squeezes the pass off.